North Side.
This is going to be the elevator at the brand new Allegheny subway station at...
This is 3 level. It's broken.
This is the elevator at the new Allegheny station. That one's broken, so let's try this one. This one's coming up.
Yeah, it's broken.
This is the new Allegheny subway station at what's it called? Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Right over there's the Carnegie Science Center with the new sports works, Heinz Field, and there's a red line train. All brand new C.J. Anderson equipment. Tom, this is your fixture. There's all your shaft equipment. This is all brand new. All right, come on in. Go down to street.
Cabinet locked.
It is pretty much identical to Gateway Center, but we go down this time. Ooh. We're brand new. This ain't holding up too well.
Fixtures are awesome. I love C.J. Anderson fixtures.
Long way down. Come on.
Up here. My hair got stuck to the door. Oh, it's sticky. Sticky.
And we're leveling. Boom.
Boom.
Let's go back up to P. Her platform.
I don't like the sound of that. Oh, jail.
It's just brand new equipment. It kind of has to get used to it, that's all. Basic stainless steel. Basic for a subway station elevator. Basic C.J. Anderson fixtures.
Ooh, the top of the cab lights on the rooftop.
Platform. I love these buttons. And again, the other elevator seems to be broken. Yay! Oh, this one has a rear door. This one has a rear door. All right, and that's it.